It starts with a signature and ends with experiences people remember. I'm TJ Perlick Molinari, fifth-generation owner and CEO of the Perlick Corporation. For over a century, my family and our teams have been building the best bars in the world. Amazing places where people gather, celebrate, and connect. We do it with the highest quality, most advanced, and dependable products in the industry, all backed by expert service and a legacy you can trust. We call it the Total Perlick Experience. And we've been innovating ahead of the rest since the beginning. We invented underbar workstations and draft systems as the industry knows them today, and build the most high-performing, reliable refrigeration available on the market, making us the only best-in-class, one-stop shop for scaling quality in all things beverage. In this industry, everyone knows, if it isn't a Perlick, it's an imitation. One of our most meaningful recent breakthroughs is something no one had ever seen before. True, fully ergonomic, zero-step bartending workstations. Because when bartenders move, think, and flow better, they serve better. And that transforms the entire guest experience. From iconic boutique cocktail destinations to massive stadiums, resorts, and casinos, we transformed lived experience into the most intuitive, high-performing beverage equipment ever created. Not designed in theory or just for looks, though these stations do look incredible, but designed in real life with real benefits. We solved all the major bartender pain points and rebuilt beverage equipment around the actual human experience. Using human factors design with anthropometric data, bartender biomechanics, and neuroscience, and proven ocean-neutral work position standards. The result is simple. One-of-a-kind, faster, smarter, healthier bartending, where great design and operational excellence finally work as one. More high-quality drinks per minute, and stronger, more profitable operations at scale. We've brought that same mindset to beverage dispensing. We're the only company that stands behind our systems with an ironclad guarantee that they'll perform flawlessly and deliver maximum value from keg to glass every time. Also this year, we're unveiling our Generation 5 commercial refrigeration, the most advanced we've ever created. We take great pride in building more than a century of values, craftsmanship, and accountability into an operation. Ours and yours. Built to last, built to perform, built to matter. We are helping the world serve better with no equivalent.